everyone, today I'm going to show you these electric skin scrubbers which will help you to keep your home clean, and it's suitable to clean your any kind of surface of floor, bathroom. Comes also with these kind of 4 scrubbers for all kind of needs and for all kind of surfaces, corners, edges, and have also this extendable handle for your needs. With this D-shape design allows you to hold the handle firmly even if your hand it's wet. Have also 16 minutes for a fast charging and can work up to 3 hours. Also have 2 speed modes. I'm gonna show you. We have the low one and the high one. It is made of good quality material and it's super durable, can last for a long time. I don't like the quality, I don't like that it's come in many kind of scrubbers. If you're looking for any kind of helper for your cleaning in your apartment, so I'll highly recommend this skin scrubber. Thank you.